First, 3 steps to start investing in real estate as a newbie in 2025. Welcome to Tropical Capitalist, brought to you by my second option. This is Noelia, a partner and real estate agent, and today we are cutting through the noise. You've been thinking about investing in real estate, but let's be real. It can be overwhelming. Where do you even start? In 2025, smart investors are playing by a new set of rules. I'm breaking down the first 3 steps to get you investing the right way, without the fluff, without the mistakes. So let's go. Step number 1, get real about your investment goal. Most people fail at real estate investing before they even start because they have just no clue what they actually want. Are you looking for passive income, quick flips, long-term appreciation, tax advantages? Well, your strategy changes everything from the location you choose to and the type of property you buy. For example, if your goal is high monthly cash flow, well, you're not buying in overregulated markets like Canada or Western Europe. You're looking at emerging markets with low taxes and high yields. If you want appreciation, you're targeting fast-growing areas with pro-investor governments. Decide your goal first, then everything else falls into place. Number 2, location is everything, but not how you think. You've probably heard location, location, location. But in 2025, it's not about where people live today. It's about where they're moving next. The best investments are in cities and countries experiencing 1, population growth, 2, business expansion, 3, government incentives for investors, 4, low taxation and landlord-friendly laws. Right now, we're seeing massive investor interest in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador. These places have tax advantages, strong rental demands, and are attracting both digital nomads and expats, which means higher returns for you. Instead of following where the big money used to be, look where it's heading next. And here's why about these locations. El Salvador, a booming tech hub with Bitcoin-friendly laws, strong tourism growth, and massive infrastructure investments. Investors are just snapping up real estate before prices surge. Panama, okay, one of the most stable economies in Latin America, no property tax on new builds, a strong expat community, and a high rental demand. And its location, yeah, it's fantastic. Paraguay, one of the cheapest places to buy land, ultra low taxes, and a government that actively welcomes investors. Step 3, start with leverage, but not the risky kind. Most new investors think they need to save hundreds of thousands of dollars before they buy their first property. Wrong. The smartest investors in 2025 aren't just using their own money, but they are using smart leverage. But here's the catch. Not all leverage is good leverage. Bad leverage? Well, overborrowing in high debt markets, where interest rates will eat your profits. Good leverage? Financing in emerging markets where you can lock in low costs and high returns before the prices spike. Another option, well, partnering with investors or real estate funds, so you're not the only one putting in capital but still getting the upside. Your goal is to get in the game without overextending yourself. The right financing strategies makes the difference between struggling and scaling fast. So let's recap. Step 1, get clear on your investment goal before anything else. Step 2, follow where the money is going next, not where it's been. Step 3, use smart leverage, not risky debt, to start faster. If you're serious about investing in 2025, you need the right strategy and the right market, and that's where my second option comes in. We help investors like you find just profitable, low-tax real estate opportunities in emerging markets. So, if you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit thumbs up if this helped you, and don't hesitate to contact us at My Second Option if you're ready to make your first move in real estate. Book a consultation with us today, and our WhatsApp link is in the description box. Let's make 2025 the year you stop watching and start investing. See you on the next video.